Welcome back to Jetline Marvel for another thrilling aviation episode. A $200 million modification contract has been awarded to Boeing for the purchase of crucial long-lead material and related activities necessary to construct A-18E aircraft. The contract adjustment intends to maintain the manufacturing schedule, with work anticipated to be finished by June 2025. The contract is supervised by the Naval Air Systems Command in Maryland. The U.S. Navy has granted Boeing, which has its main office in St. Louis, Missouri, a $200 million contract modification. By obtaining essential long-lead material and making related efforts, the modification intends to support the manufacture of A-18E aircraft. The Super Hornets fuselage sections are constructed in El Segundo, California, by Boeing subcontractor Northrop Grumman, before being shipped to Boeing's Missouri aircraft facility, where about 70% of the contract will be carried out. The Super Hornets long-term deal comes after Congress increased funding for the Navy's Super Hornets by 20 over the previous two fiscal years. $977 million for 12 in the fiscal year 2022 and $600 million for 8 in the fiscal year 2023. This agreement demonstrates the U.S. Navy's dedication to keeping the A-18E aircraft in service, even as it develops the F/A-XX program. As both the U.S. Navy and Boeing attempt to balance the expenses of the next-generation air dominance program and existing platforms, it may also suggest that the manufacture of the aircraft won't end as soon as previously anticipated. Share your thoughts about F-18 Super Hornet fighter jet in the comments section.